Hey guys, welcome back to the Gadget Grid, available for sale on Amazon. Let's talk about the latest and greatest in home cleaning technology. The YEEDY Mop Station Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop is a powerful cleaning system that offers dual power spin mopping to loosen and wipe off the most stubborn stains with ease. The two mopping pads with 10N force to the floor cling to the ground and spin 180 times per minute to ensure your floors are spotless. The mops are always clean to perform, since the robot vacuum self-cleans them. Two 3.5L water tanks store clean and wastewater separately to avoid cross-contamination. With vacuum and mop integration, YEEDY boasts 3000 pascals strong suction power to pick up any dirt on the floor, and a 750 milliliters capacious swapping dustbin bigger than that of most robot vacuums on the market. Stores more dust for less emptying. Moreover, it has an ultrasonic carpet sensor that recognizes your carpet and cleans it cleverly. In mopping mode, it steers away to avoid wetting it, while in vacuuming mode, it increases the suction to max for deep carpet cleaning. Control and power. You can control YEEDY with the YEEDY app, which lets you set cleaning sequence, schedule cleaning, set up a no-go zone, and more anywhere, anytime. The app also integrates with Alexa and Google Home, which allows you to clean with your voice. The YEEDY Mop Station Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop is powered by a 5200 mAh battery, which fuels up to 180 minutes of runtime on a single charge. When it needs to recharge, it will return to the base station for charging and resume cleaning right where it left off. Warranty. YEEDY robots come with a 1-year worry-free warranty, and the manufacturer promises to replace your robot vacuum with a new one if any quality issue occurs within the warranty period. Conclusion. Overall, the YEEDY Mop Station Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop is a must-have cleaning device for pet owners, people with allergies, or anyone who wants to keep their home clean with minimal effort. Its pet-friendly design and HEPA filter make it perfect for homes with pets, and its app and voice control features make it convenient and easy to use. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and smart cleaning device, the YEEDY Mop Station Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop is the perfect choice for you. You can also check it. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.